When you get your package, it will look like this. Once you open it, you'll see the following components. Build a square with 4 long tubes and 4 corner adapters. Make sure the tubes are all the way in with a light twist. Connect the short tubes with the straight adapters. You should get 4 of these. Again, make sure it's pushed all the way in. Build the full frame by connecting the 2 squares with the 4 sides. Match the blue cloth from one corner to another, then slide the cover over the edges. Since this product is made to fit, it can be made tight, but the plastic is elastic that you can just stretch it over the frame gently with your hand on the inside of the cover and move down one corner at a time and keep rotating as you go down. Once the frame is sitting on the blue section, zip one side up, slide the frame all the way into the zipped section. Then zip the other side up. This part is made slightly bigger to stretch out the cover and improve visibility. Thank you for purchasing our SAB. We hope you enjoy your new setup. If you experience any issues during installation, please reach out to us directly. We'll take care of replacements or refunds promptly so you can avoid the hassle of returning it.